Trinity B1, the GESE English exam. Mock test. This is Iqra, and this is what a pass with distinction exam looks like. Check it out, and I'll give you more thoughts at the end. Good afternoon. This is the Trinity Grade 5 GESE English exam.
Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Mrs. Examiner. What is your name, please?
My name is Iqra.
Iqra. And how are you today?
I'm good.
And what is your topic for today, please?
My topic is hobbies cooking, and my five subtopic is how I learned to cook, think I prefer to cook, why I love cooking, and my future cooking plans. The most difficult thing I have ever cooked.
Let's start with the first question. Do you like
Yes,
cooking?
yes, I love cooking, and cooking is my hobby.
Ooh.
I love to learn different kind of cuisines, and also I love baking.
Oh, wow. And
Yeah,
how did you learn how to cook?
I learned cooking from my mother. She is an expert chef, and
Oh,
she is also a home baker.
okay.
She always taught me how to cook and how to bake pastries, cakes, and she is very helpful. I am glad she is very helpful.
And tell me, what is the most difficult thing you have ever cooked?
The most difficult thing I ever cooked is chicken mandi.
Oh,
And chicken mandi is a Middle Eastern cuisine,
mhm.
and it's so difficult to make. You need
Ooh,
to clay oven,
okay.
and you need a whole bunch of spices like cinnamons, cloves, like cardamoms, and very long list.
Mhm.
And you need chicken, rice, and you need three sides to serve this mandi, like salsa sauce, mint sauce, and spicy sauce.
And do you often cook Middle Eastern food?
No, no, it's so difficult for me to cook once in a month, and one maybe twice a month.
Okay, so do you often cook another type of cuisine?
Yes, I cook my traditional food like biryani, kebabs, and chicken curries.
So do you prefer to cook biryani instead of Middle Eastern food?
Yeah, yes, because I am easy to cook my own dishes. But I love to learn different kind of foods, cuisines, cakes.
And what have you cooked last?
I cook was chicken biryani.
Okay. And what will you cook next?
I cook next. My plan is kebabs.
Is it a lot of work or a little work to do kebabs?
No, it's not a lots of work, but you need lots of spices,
Mhm.
like the whole spices, and you grind all the whole spices and make chicken kebab.
That sounds very nice.
Yes,
And can you ask me a question about your topic?
yes. Do you like cooking?
Oh, I love cooking. Um, it's something I'm not good at, but I love to do.
Oh, that's great.
Let's talk for a moment about entertainment. What do you like to do for entertainment? Do you watch television or YouTube?
When I have time, spare time, I always watch movies. Sometime with my husband, sometime alone, and I love Harry Potter movies.
So, so do you prefer Harry Potter movies to horror films?
Pardon me?
Oh, do you horror films like the scary
Yeah.
films?
Oh,
Do
yes,
you prefer Harry Potter too?
yes, I like horror movies,
Oh,
but with my husband.
okay. So which do you prefer? Harry Potter or horror movies?
Harry Potter.
Oh, why?
Because when I am alone, if I watch horror movies when I alone, I always scared.
And do you get to watch many movies or not so many?
I watch animated movies like the old mo movie was is Narnia.
Okay.
Yeah, I love Narnia movie.
How much time do you spend watching films and movies?
When I have time, like when I have spare time, like
Mhm.
on weekends I have a time to watch movies. Um, and sometime I watch movie like if I have a time and I watch movies on daily basis,
Mhm.
like in nights.
And what will you watch next?
Um, I would love to watch animated movie.
Okay. What have you watched recently?
I recently watch the name is uh, there's an Indian movie.
Okay,
I don't remember the name.
that's okay. And can you tell me, have you had any recent personal experiences?
Yes, I my recent personal experience when I cook cake for my husband birthday, or I cook cake, but my cake is burned.
Oh no.
I have lots of work to make foods, decorate my home, to arrange parties. So I'm on stress and I burn my cake.
Have you ever burned a cake before?
No, no,
Oh,
because I am in stress.
I understand. And do you prefer to bake a cake instead of buying one?
Mm, I prefer to bake cake because when I bake cake, I feel I express my love to other persons, my loved ones, and my loved one is also appreciate me when
And
I cook bake.
has your husband ever baked a cake for you?
Once in a blue moon,
Okay.
he try.
Uh, But I'm sure he likes to eat cake.
Yes, definitely.
How often do you get to bake cakes?
Um, like once in a week. Like my husband love banana cake,
Okay.
and he's a diabetic patient. So I make sure to make a healthy cake, like less sugar,
Uh-huh.
and use my own homemade ghee.
Okay.
So he always prefer to eat cake in home.
Understand. And what will you bake next?
And next, I bake pastries.
Okay. And have you ever burned anything besides cake?
Yes, I think so. Like sometime if I am hurry or I have a big party. If I am stressed, I sometime I burn rice as well.
But not often, I hope.
No, 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 no often.
And can you ask me a question about this topic?
Yes. Do you like baking
Oh,
or?
oh no, I'm terrible at baking because I don't like the sweet tastes.
Oh,
And I missed to ask, could you ask me a question about movies or entertainment?
well, what kind of movie do you like?
Oh, I like documentaries. I like serious
Oh,
movies.
oh, sounds good.
And
So,
that's at the end of our exam today. Thank you for joining me.
thank you.
That was a good one, wasn't it? She hits all the grammar points multiple times. She speaks clearly and confidently, and she's obviously comfortable speaking English, or it feels like she's comfortable, which is great. The only danger in this video, and I said this to Iqra, be very careful with personal experiences. When you think about a recent personal experience, make sure that it's different from my topic. Because here she chose cooking, my hobby, but her personal experience was about burning a cake. So it's a lot of the same words. And the examiner wants to see you use a range of words and vocabulary. And I know she has them. So my point to everybody is make sure your recent personal experience is different from my topic. And she's going to do something with sports. So that's perfect. Keep studying. Keep learning English.